In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access hidden settings on the DuckDuckGo web browser. If you've ever felt like the DuckDuckGo browser has more options than what you see on the surface, you're not wrong. There are several advanced and less obvious settings built into the browser that help you fine-tune privacy protection, appearance, and overall browsing behavior. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to reach those hidden or less visible settings so you can get more control over your browsing experience. To begin, open the DuckDuckGo browser on your device. Make sure you're using the full browser application rather than accessing DuckDuckGo through a different browser. Once it loads, give it a moment to fully initialize so all interface elements and menus are properly available. Next, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the browser window. Look for the menu icon, represented by 3 horizontal lines. This is the main control center for the browser, where most features and settings are organized. Click on it to open the menu panel. From here, select Settings. This is the main configuration area where you can manage privacy controls, browsing preferences, and general browser behavior. While many users stop here, this section actually contains deeper options that are not always immediately noticeable. Inside the settings area, scroll carefully through the available categories. Some options may be grouped into sections like privacy protection, appearance, or browsing controls. These sections often contain advanced toggles that are not highlighted on the main screen, but still play an important role in how the browser functions. You should also look for sections such as About or Privacy and Security. The About area can reveal version details and update-related options, while privacy sections often contain more detailed tracking controls and experimental protections that are not part of the basic setup. As you explore these areas, take your time reviewing each option. Some settings are designed for more advanced users and may subtly change how websites load or how much data is shared during browsing. This is why they are often considered hidden or advanced settings. If you ever feel unsure about a specific option, you can leave it unchanged, as most settings are designed to work well with default configurations. However, adjusting them carefully can help you create a more personalized and secure browsing experience. And that's it. You now know how to access the deeper settings inside the DuckDuckGo browser and where to find the options that aren't immediately visible on the main screen. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.